Hi, sixth graders, Miss St. Oars here. We are going to start on a song I know you're all gonna love, Pirates of the Caribbean main theme. We're gonna go from measures 1 through measures 18, or the first two lines. When we begin, we always wanna look at our time signature and our key signature. Those are those items at the front of the line. So in this front of the line, we have our clef, then we have one sharp, and then we have the time signature 3/4. So that means every measure will get 3 beats, and the quarter note will get the beat. All right, so we've identified how many beats are per measure and what notes to sharp. Now we really need to look through when we first start learning a song, what looks like the hardest part? What's gonna really trip us up and we need to practice? Well, I know what measure it is for us. Remember, we're doing the first 2 lines to start with lesson 1. We don't wanna take on too much. And there's a measure that's gonna trip us up. It's measure 16. And measure 16 goes from a C natural to an E to an A and then a G. See if you can find measure 16. It is 1, 2, 3 measures before you end the second line. Now the thing that makes this tricky is that we have to teeter-totter our bow up and down, or back and forth. Everybody find the natural C and just play that. Join me. Just holding it, make sure you're in tune. Now find the E. Tip the bow. Now find the next note, A. Tipping the bow. And let's just do the next note, G. All right, we've identified where the notes are on the fingerboard. Make sure your eyes are on this measure. And now let's play these 4 notes together. So we're gonna go slow. We're gonna go C, E, A, G. Ready? Let's do it together. 1, 2, ready, and go. C, E, A, G. Again, let's do it again. Ready? Eyes on your music, not on me. Ready, and play. So that's a measure that'll trip you up, and you want to make sure to practice that all by itself. Let's take the measures now with the half notes and the eighth notes. Remember, half notes are hollow notes with a stem, and eighth notes have a beam. Half notes get 2 counts, and each eighth note gets half a count. But together, a pair, get 1 beat. So the first measure this happens is in the top line, and there's a half note A. And we go, set your bow, let's try playing this. We're gonna play the A, then the G, and A, and then B. So we'll play 4 notes in the right rhythm. Listen to me first if you like. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, play. 1, 2, 3, 1. That's pretty quick. Let's try it with me. Watch your music. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, play. 1, 2, 3, and 1. Do it again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, play. Half note, G, A, B. Good, let's go to the next one. This one is the second to last measure of the top line, and it starts on an E, okay? There are F sharps. I want us to play the last 2 measures of the top line. Listen to me play it. Here I go. 1, 2, 3, and 1, and 2. Join me if you can. 1, 2, go. Half note, 3 and 1 and 2. Let's do it again. Ready and play. 1, 2, 3 and 1 and 2. So then we go down a line and there's only one measure with a half note and 2 eighth notes. Let's go ahead and do that one. Starts on the note E again and play E, then an E and an F sharp and then the G. Let's just practice those notes. 1, 2, 3, ready and go. 1, 2, 3 and 1. Let's try it again. Ready and watch your notes. Half note, 3 and 1. So in this little segment of the video, I've identified areas that you need to practice on your own, or with me, you can play it again, but just make sure you've practiced the jumped notes in the second line, as well as all the measures that have half notes and eighth notes. All right, we'll see you on the next segment. Okay, sixth graders, we are going to attempt to put together the first 2 lines of Pirates of the Caribbean main theme. And hopefully you took some time to practice the segments the areas in the last segment, because that will help you have success. It's really important to count to 3 in your head. Remember, we're in 3/4 time, and F's are sharped. I'm going to go ahead and start by saying 1, 2, 3, play, and then we're going to begin. We're going to do this 2 times. The first time, if you want to, just listen and watch. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, play. 1, 2, 3 and 1 and 2. 3, rest, 2, 3 and 1, 2, 3. Half note, 3 and 1. All right, we're going to try it again. If you still need to maybe practice a little more on those segments, you might want to pause and join me in a little bit after you practice. 1, 2, 3, play. 1, 2, 3 and 1 and 2. Rest, rest, rest. 3. Half note, 3 and 1. Natural. Okay, this is a tough kind of 3/4 time signature song that if you practice the way we're teaching you, you will be able to play this fast and furious like you hear it in the movies. So, all right, we'll see you later, 6th graders. Good luck.